I care about you. That's why I want you to be aware of these mistakes so you can fix them earlier than I did. Number 1. Not using enough comments. If you have ever done freelancing, especially on Fiverr, then you might know that including comments means you can charge more money. Not only that, it is a very important skill to have. But what comments to even write? Well, I'll make a video on it. Number 2. Bad variable names. There has been countless times where I had made a variable, put something in it, remembered the variable's name, but didn't actually remember what the variable does. To fix this, you gotta use a variable name that corresponds to the usage of the variable. Number 3. Rewriting code manually. This is very important to know when you are in a time constraint and have to finish a project fast, and there is a chance that so much code in that project can be automatically rewritten instead of you writing it manually. How can you rewrite that code? Well, using loops or functions. I'll make a video on it too. But guys, would that be enough for you to write code? No, right? You need to know how to turn your idea into code. So for that you gotta watch this video next.